Def. Go back northwest. Go southwest. I need some brawler to stay mounted, guys. Okay, I need some brawler to stay mounted. Come southwest. Mount up. Wrap around. Brawler, same shit. Wrap around. Go southeast, anywhere. Just. Gago, hindi. Nandito ako sa front. I need some people south, okay? I need some brawlers on the south. I need some brawlers on the small room. I need some brawlers everywhere.
We need healer at the for brawlers.
Ang kulit.
Di ko makita si Jenny. Did you guys see Jenny? I lost my mark.
Si Paisan yung si Jenny, di ba?
Hindi. Ito. Get ready to dismount in front of them, guys. Nakapatay sila?
Sa baba si Jenny.
Careful, guys, careful. I need some people up there. They have 3 engages, guys, okay? Sustain, dodge roll, maybe, I don't know. Just try to leave. Guys, they're coming. Jenny's looking on the west side. Momotaro, ingat kayo dyan, ah. Zephas, Nostal, ingat. Gago, patay itong balista nila! Patay itong ano nila! I-dismount ito! Okay, go back. Kamasat.
Kami kay, baba.
Kamasat. Okay, walk with me. Wait, go back. Jenny coming. Wait. Def. Pahim! Too slow reaction time.
Kumagat si Jenny.
Walking back ulit sila southwest mo.
Sige lang.
Bumalik ulit.
Hold. This hold. Hold. You can click northwest gate, guys, okay? Wait. Def me. Nice. Wait. Def. Wait. You can click northwest, guys. Ditang, hold them. Yo, click northwest. Silpy. Go click northwest, guys. Careful. Magbubukas na yan. Guys, it's gonna open soon. Careful. Do not hug the wall. Kyoya, do not hug the wall. Kyoya, you're a healer. You need to be dismounted, Kyoya. Careful. Wait.
Okay, open yung northeast, ha.
Sige lang. Wait. Guys, wait. Guys, kamis. Wait. Northeast ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, northeast south. Full speed. Full speed. Defend ready.